Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to scan and listen to books on Speechify. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Search for Speechify and click on the official website. Next, locate the Browse Files option on the dashboard. This is where you can upload your book. Select a file from your device, such as a document or ebook, and click Open. Wait for the file to upload and process. For best results, use non-DRM files, as protected files may not work properly. Once ready, the app will start reading automatically. Use the controls to play or pause the audio and adjust the speed to your preference. You can also switch between different voices to find the tone that suits you best. Following along with highlighted text can improve focus and understanding while listening. For a better experience, use headphones and start at a moderate speed before increasing it gradually. Your progress will be saved, so you can continue later. So that's basically how you can scan and listen to books on Speechify. That's it for this video. Thanks.